The journey of today, which ended while we were standing here and listening the anthem of Pakistan and Palestine together, this was started in the early months of 2024. When I met with various medical students in Cairo, and they told me that they are studying in Cairo, but now their families cannot afford their education. We started paying the fee of all those students who were studying in Cairo. Then we managed to send 25 medical students to Istanbul. They got admission in Madaniyat University, and the Alkhidmat Foundation started paying the scholarship of $300 per month per student from that time. I was dreaming that if I could bring the medical and dental students to Pakistan, it was really a hope for the students and hope for us who wanted to bring them here. So Alhamdulillah, the thing started, and today I think this is the day of gratitude, Yawm Tashakkur. So we are thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that who actually made everything easy for us, and ultimately our daughters and sons managed to come to Pakistan, and many of them now have graduated and gone back to Cairo. Thank you very much for honoring us by coming to Pakistan. Now this is your second country. Just 2 days back, I was with the students who actually graduated from Pakistan very recently, and they have started their internship in Cairo. I met them in the office of Alkhidmat Foundation in Cairo. And I was so happy to see the joyful and radiant faces of those doctors, young doctors, who have started their internship in Cairo.